from destruction to perfection.
Then came the heart of the rebuild.
This is not just a damaged supercar.
It's a Lamborghini Huracán.
And it was nearly destroyed by fire.
The interior was completely charred. The engine was buried under layers of soot.
Even the carbon fiber had suffered.
Most people would consider this beyond saving.
But we're rebuilding it from the ground up. The heat had penetrated deep into the body panels.
Inside, nearly every surface was damaged.
The V10 had absorbed the full force of the fire. Even the structural carbon fiber had warped under extreme heat.
There was only one option.
We began stripping everything down. Every damaged component had to come off.
And the engine was next.
There was only one way forward.
But this one had survived a fire.
The heart of the Huracan was finally removed.
Now we could see the real damage.
The fire left its mark everywhere.
Surprisingly, some components were still intact.
The internal damage would decide everything.
But the real test would be inside. If the chassis was compromised, the rebuild would end here.
Piece by piece, it came apart.
Now, the rebuild could truly begin.
The rebuild started with a deep clean.
Damaged sections had to be reinforced. Layer by layer, the Huracan came back to life.
The original finish was carefully restored.
Then came the heart of the rebuild. Every bolt tightened to exact specification.
From ashes to precision.
The heart of the Huracan returned to its place.
Secured with precision. Piece by piece, it came together.
The eyes of the bull were reborn.
Luxury restored inside and out.
With the engine sealed beneath glass, it was complete.
The V10 came back to life.
Now, it was time.
After everything it endured.
It lives again.
From destruction to perfection.
A second life earned.